Good morning, students. Welcome back to social science class. Yesterday we were discussing about the challenges to political parties, under which we discussed the first challenge, which was lack of internal democracy within the parties. And today we will continue with the same topic and we will be discussing about some more challenges to political parties. So the next one is dynasty succession. Now what is dynasty succession? It is the condition where the son and the grandsons from the same party join the party. In many parties, the top positions are always controlled by members of one family. Then, the third challenge is money and muscle power. Parties sometimes support criminals who can help them in winning the elections. Then, the fourth challenge is that very often parties do not seem to offer a meaningful choice to the voters. For example, the difference between Labour Party and Conservative Party in Britain is very little. They agree on more fundamental aspects but differ only in details on how policies are to be framed and implemented. Now we will come to the topic how parties can be reformed. So, for reforming a political party, defection is a major thing. Under defection, what happens is that a person is a member of a political party, but during elections he switches to another party. And why does he do that? He does that in order to become ministers or for cash rewards. So to stop this, anti-defection laws have been made by the government. Now the government has made it compulsory for every candidate who contests elections to give details of all his properties. Then you have the law to regulate the internal affairs of the political parties, making it mandatory for 1/3 of women to represent in party. So all these are very important. Then over-regulation of political parties can be harmful. Why? Because when there are over-regulations, it would force the parties to follow alternate ways to cheat. So, political parties can be improved if those who want to join the party join it wholeheartedly. And the problem of bad politics can be solved by more and better politics. So, with this, we have completed the chapter Political Parties. We will be doing the exercises in our next class. Homework for you is to read the chapter thoroughly. Thank you.